Where we live? Can you show me where Indianapolis is? Good job. And where are we going tomorrow? Can you find Oklahoma? Where's Oklahoma? Try again. You remember. No? Where's that? What's there? Florida is Disney World. And where'd Oklahoma go? Up. A little too high. Next one down. Oklahoma. That's where we're going tomorrow. And that is Disney World.
We get to go without Daddy, and we get to talk to Jimmy and Snow White and Cinderella and Belle.
Next year,
Yeah.
when Daddy comes home. That's right.
And yesterday is Disney World.
Do you see any place else on the map? Can you tell me where Uncle Dan and Uncle Dave live? California, that's right. And where is Oregon? Yep, that's Oregon.
That's where my grandma lives.
You're pretend, Grandma.
I'm not a gay. My grandma lives there.
Well, not for real. And do you remember where our cousin Kyle lives? No, not in Alaska. Kyle lives in Texas. Can you find Texas? Texas is right down here.
Mommy, say that's fruit thing.
Where's Texas at? That's right. Yay! And where do we live again? Indianapolis. Good job. There's your geography lesson. That is West Virginia.